If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check for updates. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and look for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 2. Clear cache files. Navigate to the Sims 4 folder in your documents. Locate the cache files and delete them. This can help resolve loading issues caused by corrupted cache data. Step 3. Repair game. Open the game launcher, right-click on The Sims 4 and select the repair option. This will fix any corrupted game files that may be causing the loading screen problem. Step 4. Disable mods and custom content. Temporarily remove any mods or custom content you have installed. Move them to a different folder outside of the Sims 4 directory and restart the game to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation without any potential issues from previous setups. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in The Sims 4. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA Support for further assistance. Happy gaming!